Are we gonna have them? I'm just gonna get changed and then I'm gonna go back with you.
Huh?
That's alright, you can talk. So ambient noise.
Oh, you're filming right now.
So good. So we roll in the YouTube Institute. If I want to do any private recordings, I just go to the bedrooms. Close all the doors. These are the wheels for the Embassy Wheel Race.
Oh,
We got the H-Sun Archetypes and TV14s Dura hub set. Oh, that wasn't cheap. But those are nice looking rims.
Are we gonna change too? Yeah, look at the bottom please. I have to change too.
We got the hubs here.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do a little move that tripod around. So these are the hubs, the Dura. Very nice. Titanium free hub body.
I'm just gonna pee. Is there something in there?
just not.
Yeah, Eva's in there, Belgian girl.
Do you need anything from Cold Plug?
I'm good. I am good. That's the front hub.
No, Eva's not in there.
It's so nice.
Oh, sorry. Very smooth. Interesting cone design on these ones. Something different. Shimano's going for something different. Oh, that feels really good. Weight wise, feels pretty good. Rims, we got an XT cassette as well. This is 34. Cassette, and these work with long cage 10-speed Shimano road derailleurs, no worries. Rims, let's have a look at the rims here. These are a sort of box section, flat box section, and these will be for, I'm not going to go carbon rims because if you get a flat tyre you can't ride on a carbon rim, but with alloy you can. So we will, what have we got here? We've got 32 spoke count, and where's the labelling on these? Oh, there's no labelling, it's just sort of a pretty traditional sort of setup. Oh, we got just that little H on there, so labelling all got. It's pretty cool. Nice. Then we have the H-Sun plus these Archetypes. So anodized finish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Any questions down below? Let me know. I'm going to build these up with some SAP and C X-ray spokes. I've got another one over here. Thanks, Wiggle. Thanks a lot. I almost forgot, when you throw your boxes out, make sure you take the quick release out. These are my favourite quick releases. Shimano quick releases are incredible. They're just so fucking awesome. Oh, they just, the camp action on them, you just, oh, they just feel so good. So tight. Love them.